The air of polite British television was shattered last night as Claudia Winkleman delivered a scathing critique of the Duchess of Sussex's disaster trailer on the G.Norton show. In a rare moment of unfiltered honesty, Winkleman, known for her sharp wit and impeccable style, minced no words, leaving viewers stunned and the usually unflappable Duchess facing a wave of public scrutiny. The incident unfolded during a lighthearted segment where guests were discussing their most embarrassing work experiences. When the conversation turned to the Duchess's ill-fated cooking show, a palpable shift in the studio's atmosphere was evident. Winkleman, who had previously remained largely silent on the topic, suddenly interjected, her voice laced with a mixture of disbelief and disdain. "Your trailer, Meghan, was a complete and utter mess," Winkleman declared, her gaze fixed on the camera. "It was like watching a child try to bake a cake for the first time. The lighting was atrocious, the styling was a disaster, and the food, well, let's just say it looked like something a dog would reject." The studio fell silent. Even G.Norton, renowned for his quick wit and ability to diffuse any tense situation, seemed momentarily speechless. Meghan, visibly flustered, attempted to laugh off the criticism, but her forced smile failed to mask the hurt and anger simmering beneath the surface. "Oh Claudia, you're so dramatic," she retorted, her voice dripping with sarcasm. "It was just a little cooking show. No need to be so harsh." Winkleman scoffed. "Harsh is calling a poorly produced, amateurish piece of television entertainment. It was an insult to viewers, an insult to chefs, and frankly, an insult to good taste." The exchange quickly escalated, with both women trading barbs across the table. Winkleman, emboldened by the unexpected turn of events, continued her assault, dissecting the trailer with surgical precision. Some argue that the Duchess's relentless pursuit of fame and fortune has alienated her from the very public she once sought to inspire. Her extravagant lifestyle, her constant self-promotion, and her seemingly insatiable appetite for attention have left many feeling disillusioned and resentful. Others, however, defend the Duchess, arguing that she is simply trying to find her own voice and pursue her passions. They point to her charitable work and her advocacy for women's rights as evidence of her genuine desire to make a positive impact on the world. Regardless of one's personal opinion, the messy Meghan incident has undoubtedly damaged the Duchess's public image. It has exposed the fragility of her carefully constructed persona and raised serious questions about her ability to navigate the complexities of public life. Whether she can recover from this latest setback remains to be seen. One thing is certain, the Duchess of Sussex is no longer immune to public scrutiny. The gloves are off, and the gloves are off, and the gloves are off, and the public is watching with a critical eye.